He stands atop a mountain of gold, yet his face is a hollow void, reflecting a soul that remains empty despite its riches. He lunges for a glowing butterfly, oblivious to the cliff's edge, chasing a flicker of pleasure that vanishes the moment it is touched. In one hand, a glowing screen offers a hollow spark. In the other, he smiles under the crushing weight of a wooden beam, finding a joy that is heavy and real. The stone cracks as the ancient distinction is carved. Hedonia is a fleeting comfort, but Eudaimonia is the flourishing of the inner spirit. A king sits upon a throne of cold diamonds, mistaking his hoard for happiness. The wise man Solon watches, knowing a life's worth can only be measured once the story is complete and the crown is laid upon a skull. Inside the mind, the reward circuitry pulses a frantic, dying red, trapped on a treadmill of endless consumption and reset. Amidst the sterile luxury of a modern tower, the seeker stares at the rain, a prisoner of his own comfort. The ancient world crumbles into dust around him, yet he remains unmoving, anchored by an internal gravity the world cannot break. He reaches out, turning the dial of his soul from the external noise to the internal truth. The charcoal void of his face finally settles into a calm, human gaze, clear and resolute. He kneels in the rich soil of his own garden, no longer chasing the butterfly, but finally at peace within the life he has built.